Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making butter chicken. This recipe is an Indian curry made with rich and creamy curry sauce. Butter with the perfect blend of warming spices. For ingredients, we're going to start marinating our chicken, boneless chicken thighs, grated garlic, grated fresh ginger, grand masala, red chili powder. You have to be careful with the red chili powder, turmeric, cumin, salt and pepper, plain yogurt, and lemon juice. We're going to add our chopped chicken to a medium bowl. Here we're going to add our yogurt, our salt and pepper, our garam masala, our lemon juice, our garlic powder, our turmeric, our chili powder, and our cumin. We're just going to mix this up really well. You want to cover all your chicken pieces. And we're going to cover our chicken, and we're going to set it in the refrigerator and marinate it for at least 30 minutes. I marinated mine overnight. Now we're just going to add our chicken to a Ziploc bag and add it to the refrigerator. Okay, so it's the next day. We are going to get our ingredients together for our butter chicken. We have vegetable oil, an onion, red pepper. You could use cayenne or your favorite pepper, garlic, fresh ginger, garam masala, cumin, red chili powder, salt and pepper, spicy red chili flakes. That is optional. We have tomato sauce, honey, and heavy cream. So we're going to heat a large pan on medium-high heat, and we're going to add our olive oil. You want to add your chicken, and we're going to cook for about 5 minutes. You want to stir until the chicken is brown. You want to remove the chicken and set it aside. Okay, so we're going to take our chicken out of our pan. It is brown enough for me. Now we're going to move on to melting our butter in our same pan. We're going to add our onions, and we're going to cook our onions for about 5 minutes until they are softened. Now you want to add your garlic and your ginger, and you want to cook for 1 minute or until it becomes fragrant. Here you can see I added my garam masala and my cumin. I'm adding my red chili powder. And here I'm adding some salt and pepper. And I'm just mixing that up. And here I added my peppers. And now I'm adding my tomato sauce. And you want to stir and cook that for about 1 minute. So we stir in our tomato sauce. And you saw that I added my honey. And we're going to bring it to a quick boil. Then reduce the heat to simmer for about 15 minutes to break down everything. Next, we're going to add our cream. We're going to stir in our cream. And we're going to add our chicken back to our pot. You want to heat and simmer for another 10 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce has thickened up a bit. And here's our butter chicken. It is done. You want to garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. And you could garnish it with some spicy red chili flakes if you desire. And you want to swirl a bit of cream on the top also. I serve my butter chicken with white rice and nana. For extra smooth butter chicken sauce, before adding the chicken to your simmering pot, you could transfer the sauce to a blender or food processor and process it until it is smooth. You could thin it out with a bit more water if you like. You want to strain the sauce back into your pan and then add your chicken. But today we made butter chicken. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.